Looking for a car cup holders? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 car cup holders available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect car cup holders for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Swigzy car cup holder expander adapter. This is a high-end, ultra-stylish model that is also quite adjustable. The size may be adjusted between 2.5 and 3.75 inches. This implies it can hold a variety of cup sizes. The bottles are securely held in place by rubber tabs on the base, which prevent the liquid from spilling out. The cup holder is also expanded to accommodate large cups. The nicest part is that, unlike other cup holders, this one can hold cups that have handles. There is only one on the side of the expander. There is a slot that allows you to keep the cups with handles. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list, we have the American Technology CH00100BLK1 cup holder. The opening model in our list is from American Technology. It is an adapter cup holder, available in a variety of colors. The high-impact construction ensures that this will not break soon and cater to you for the longest time. The installation is easy and permanent, but because you have to screw it somewhere on the car, it will surely create some mess. Also, it might not look so good because it has very standard looks. On the plus side, this one is fully adjustable through 3 rings that ensure installation of variably sized cups. You will like it for the versatility of size, economical price, and robustness. At number 5 on our list, we have the Lepro Bp 2001 car cup holder. Well, this is another fully adjustable and detachable car cup holder made of premium material. The robustness of the material is praiseworthy. This one also has a 3-ring base that is turned to change the size capability of the cup holder. There is a large sleeve that makes sure perfect fit of the cup. You can simply fix it to the console of the car and use it for bottles, cups, milk bottles, etc. This one is compatible with 36 ounces Yeti Ramblers. It is not compatible with 20/30 ounces versions or Yeti mugs. Also, the material is no scratch resistant. You might want to insert a foam sleeve to prevent scratches. At number 4 on our list, we have the Camco adjustable cup holder. This cup holder is strictly for the people that are on a budget. This is a mountable product that you can adjust anywhere on the car, wherever you think it will be most accessible. The heavy-duty material can hold weighty cups and bottles. The construction is also quite satisfying. The size is fully adjustable because of the open grip, where you can adjust the cup and expand and contract as per the requirement of the containments. You can also store it by folding the holder. It is being said that you can mount it in the car using screws or tape. Well, the tape won't be a good option to attach because it won't be able to bear the weight, and screw adjustment will create mess inside the car. At number 3 on our list, we have the Zonetech GA0038 cup holder. The Zonetech car cup holder is uniquely designed with a smart style. It is a mountable car cup holder, however the mounting mechanism is different. It comes with a suction cap. In order to install, you have to press the tightening lever behind the holder, which will push the air out and get installed to the car window. The product is constructed with solid plastic material for prolonged use. The cleaning of this model is super simple. This model is, however, not suitable for bottles or heavy weighing cups. Also, it is not adjustable for differently sized cups. At number 2 on our list, we have the Smart Cup 120001 cup holder. So, this one is another adapter model with variable size settings. It is made with ABS plastic material to increase the durability of the product. It can accommodate 32/40 ounces hydro flask and larger bottles as well. The upper cup is 3 inches in size, which makes it one of the best cup holders for car because it keeps spillage to the minimum. Also, to adjust cups with handles, there is a provision of 1-inch slot. The tapered base provides snug fit. This one is also mountable, and you need to use tools to screw it in. Well, the mess is inevitable. Also, it comes with no warranty whatsoever. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Belco 51 Octopus cup holder. This is the first standalone model in our list. It is a simple product with minimal features. The weight is decent, and it is available in a single color, black. There are 3 metal adjusters inside the holder that accommodates different sizes of cups. You can insert small to large sized cups, and this one will hold conveniently. The base of this model is firm, and it will not roll here and there in the car. The length of the holder is not sufficient for bottles or extra large cups. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.